everybody, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and today I have an embellishment project share that I'd like to share with you guys. The teddy bears will be linked in a different video below, and this is not a tutorial. I'm just sharing a couple of embellishments that I made. So for the first one, I used these two butterfly punches. They're very tiny, and so I made this itty bitty little butterfly. On the bottom I layered some glitter glass, and it looks yellow because of my glue, so don't use old glue, and then I stickled on top. The second one I made was with this punch, and it's a very interesting punch how it has the three different layering techniques for this butterfly. So on the bottom I just used some Nuvo drops, in the middle I used some Snow Tex, and then I just topped it off with some stickles. And for the third butterfly I made, I pulled out my butterfly die and I used the layering punches, and I stickled the back of the largest piece there, and then I just used some like Snow Tex and glitter glue and some Nuvo drops. And yeah, they came together so cute. I really like how they came together. And for the next one, I pulled out my coffee die. I think it's a Spellbinders die. It's a very tiny coffee cup, but you get a few dies with it, 6 it looks like. So, but I just used the 2 and a very tiny cloud die that I had that I bought off eBay like years ago. And yeah, they turned out so delicious looking. I love my little frappuccinos. I went and used my Winka Stella. This stuff lasted so long, I couldn't believe I was still able to use it. However, I did run out of it during the making some Valentine embellishments, which I don't normally do, but today I decided I'd like to give it a try. So, and I really like how everything turned out. And I used some sequins to top it off. I used a toothpick as a straw and some Snow Tex to make the frappuccino part. Second one I made was in black and gold and a little bit of red. I just dyed or painted the toothpick gold, but I ran out of Winka Stella for the frappuccino part, but I did use it on the black cardstock, and I really like how it turned out. So yummy! I want a frappuccino now. And the third one, I used a lip confetti on top of the frappuccino and a little felt heart sticker and a little heart gem. And yeah, they turned out so delicious. And the next one I made was using this envelope die. And I just did some black and gold again. I layered some little heart sequins. I put on a little tassel with a jump ring and a little foam heart with a love glitter, and then I just gold embossed the front using this really cute stamp set. This is where your little stamps come in handy to add those little details in your little embellishment projects, and I used that stamp right there, and I really like how they turned out. The second one I just did the same thing in black and gold. I did the Winka Stella, and I just cut out some stamps from a Martha Stewart paper pad and topped it with a little crown thing on the side, and then of course the embossed little heart there. And this one I added a little pearly heart with the tassel, and I put in a little envelope there. So I hope you guys enjoyed these fun little projects that I made, and until next video, have a great day guys. See you next time. Bye.